Now class third B GK. Page is 28. GK. So 32. Page number 32. Lesson 22. Page number 32, 33. A revision. As we have studied before. Now you see page number 32. You ask, B sir. So diagrams are given here. You see this page and try to understand the diagram according to the given statement. Now see the first. We fill our the vehicles with petrol, diesel or CNG here. So where we filled? We filled this thing at the petrol pump. So here the sequence first it is divided into the groups. Group first. So first is it 13 and second group, this is the group 2, group 3 and group 4. In 4 groups you have to answer. These are the different groups. So first you see, we will fill vehicles with petrol, diesels or CNG here. So 13 number sequence is given for the petrol pump. Now see the second, group second, group it is G. Group second, so first is it 13. Second, we come here for the morning walk. So where we go for the morning walk in the park. So park sequence is given as the 18. Park number is given as the 18. Now see next. This means of land transport saves time and does not let the people get caught in the traffic jam. So where this happens? This happens in the metro station. So its number is given as the 12. And group 4, different subjects are taught here. It is must for every child. Where this happen? This happen in the school. So its number is given as the 16. So in this way, first you read the statement and then you find the diagram. Next, we come here when we are sick or the heart. So where we go when we are sick in the hospitals. So hospital sequence is 5th. So second you have to write the 5th. Now group second, we can park our vehicles here. We can park our vehicles here. So its sequence is 10. That is parking places are there. So its number is given as the 10. And group third, second question, we come here to seek police help. So no police station is there. So its number is 15. And now see group 4, we can watch live performance of theater artist here. So you see its number is 9 is given, that is theater. Sequence number is 9. Now see next, for the group A, we come here to get our the computer repairs. We come here to get our the computers repaired. So you see here whose sequence number, computer shop here, computer shop, it given its number is 4. Now see group second, various sports activities are held here. So where sports activities are held in the sports, is in the sport center. Its number is given as the 8. Now see for the group third, we can withdraw money from here at any time. So you know the ATMs, ATM centers or ATM stations, its number is 7. And now see next, we come here to buy different things. So that is malls. So malls number is 6. We go in the mall for purchasing different things. So now again come in the group first and see the fourth question. We take buses for various places from here. We take buses for various places from here. 17. So you search here the bus station. You know that its number is given as the 17. So here you have to fill about the 17. Again see in the group 2, movies on large screens with brilliant sound systems are shown here. So where it is the big cinema. It is a big cinema where movies on the large screens with brilliant sound system are shown. So there will be third. Now see for the group third, number 4. We come here with our friends and family members to have some delicious food. So that is a restaurant. So its number is given as the 1. Now next, 4. We come here to watch different animals. You know where we go? For zoo. Its number of zoo is 11. Number of zoo is given here as the 11. That is zoo, where we go to see different type of the animals. Now see next for the group A. We can hire private taxis from here. You know, from a taxi stand. Its number is 14. Its number is 14. Now see next here, group second. Artworks of some popular artists are exhibited here. So you know art gallery. So art gallery sequence is 2. In the art galleries, the artworks of some popular artists are exhibited. Now next one. It is also known as the washroom. That is, restroom is also called as the washroom. So that is sequence is 19. Now the next one. Now find out. Write the old name of National Zoological Park of New Delhi. Name. Now find out. Write the old name of National Zoological Park of New Delhi. Its old name was Delhi Zoo. Its name was the Delhi Zoo. So that's part today only. So next time we will start the revision of and the lesson. So thank you.